After zigzagging up the west coast for a week, from Acerfontein back to the northern Cape, we realized that we hadn't yet had abalone. Not just on this trip, but ever. So after driving up and down Lamberts Bay, taking in the beautiful beach scenery, we became nomads in search of the perfect abalone. Not only did we find the most exquisite, underrated place in Lamberts Bay but the perfect place to try abalone. This place has unique decor, excellent illy coffee, friendly staff, an atmosphere that keeps you there, cakes to die for and most importantly abalone. We opted for the starter option which gives you 3 different types of ways they prepare abalone as a main dish. What could be more perfect? We were skeptical as we had never had this stuff before. Now I don't know if it's the way they prepared it in 3 different delicious dishes or if abalone is simply that wonderful, but whatever it was, Mad Hatter had it spot on. We are hooked on not only abalone but Mad Hatter in general. Thank you Mad Hatter for a great experience. We will be back in the future. Your shop is certainly something to write home about.